In Mumbai, persistent infrastructure challenges have once again come to the forefront. Footpaths designated for pedestrians have been taken over by makeshift stalls. To make matters worse, the congestion at peak hours rises to such an extent that queues from bus stops spill over onto the streets. My colleague Abhishek has reported from three of Mumbai's busiest stations along the Western Line, revealing a troubling scenario. Take a look.
Encroachment on footpath is a big concern for Mumbaikars. You can clearly see we are present right outside the busiest railway station in Mumbai, that is Dadar. And this is a footpath on both the side, and you can clearly see the footpath is completely encroached, leaving some sort of a space for the pedestrian to walk, and the entire people who are walking, you can clearly see, are on the road. This is a road, we can clearly see the two-way traffic.
बेसिकली हॉकर्स के लिए एक स्पेसिफिक लोकेशन डेडिकेट होना चाहिए कि आपको इधर तक ही बैठना है, इसके आगे नहीं बैठना है, एंड विच इज़ नॉट हैपनिंग राइट हियर. तो उसके वजह से इश्यूज तो बहुत होंगे.
गवर्नमेंट ही देख सकती है उसके बारे में कि कुछ अगर फुटपाथ पे अगर इनलीगली ऐसा कोई बीच में के धंधा लगाएगा तो फिर वो होता ही है. तो वो गवर्नमेंट ने तो बीएमसी ऑफिस देखनी चाहिए कि क्या हो रहा है, अगर वो लीगल है कि नहीं लीगल है. तो क्योंकि फुटपाथ तो लोगों के लिए बनाया है, कोई भी आगे अगर धंधा लगा देगा तो फिर वो जाम हो जाएगा.
Hawking zone made, and there should be a control on hawkers. Here it happens that the municipality van comes, they vanish, and immediately after the van goes, they are back in business. And secondly, there is no road, no place for people to walk on the footpaths. So naturally, people have to walk on the roads, which leads to accidents also.
ये समस्या तो बहुत दिक्कत होती है जब मेन फुटपाथ छोड़ के रोड पे चलते हैं, तो सर एक्सीडेंट का भी खतरा हो सकता है, दुर्घटना हो सकती है.
We are present here at Andheri railway station. Outside Andheri railway station, you can clearly see that you cannot be able to see the footpath. See the footpath? It is all been occupied and encroached. And that's the reason the pedestrian, the people are forced to walk on the road. And this is a heavy traffic lane. Clearly imagine when a footpath is being occupied, the residents, citizens are forced to walk on road. They are very prone to accident. And at the same time, in the same busiest area, there are multiple bus stops. You can also see the queue of the people standing over there. So now imagine the footpath is blocked. There is a queue of people and also people who are there who are walking on the road. How much dangerous is this?
ये सब गलत है. अभी जो फुटपाथ पे जो हॉकर्स जो है, हाँ, आमने सामने जो बैठा रहते हैं, उनको एक्चुअली हक नहीं है बैठने का. ये तो पब्लिक है, पब्लिक के लिए फुटपाथ बना है और गाड़ी जाने के लिए अलग रास्ता है, बराबर है ना. तो ये अभी क्या म्युनिसिपैलिटी भी कुछ केयर नहीं कर रहे इसके ऊपर.
बीएमसी को कार्रवाई करना चाहिए, लेकिन वो कर नहीं रही. बाकी अपने पुलिस भी है और ऐसे बहुत सारे वो है गवर्नमेंट ने बनाया कि ये करना चाहिए, वो करना चाहिए, लेकिन गवर्नमेंट करती नहीं है.
We are present outside Santa Cruz railway station, and towards my left you can clearly see this is a footpath, but it doesn't exist anymore. You know, this is the encroachment done out here which forces the citizen to walk on the road, and this is the road. You can clearly see the citizens are walking on the road rather than on the footpath because they are unable to get the space to walk because of these encroachments. Now, they have been forced to walk on the road. You can see the traffic right next to me, you know, which can be dangerous. Dangerous to them, endangering their life. They are not walking on the footpath because of this encroachment, which is a serious concern in Mumbai, and they are facing it daily. We are reporting right outside from Santa Cruz railway station, and this is afternoon. You can imagine the situation in the evening when this will be very busy area.
यस ये सब है ना, ये पॉलिटिक्स ड्रामा है। ये यहाँ का जो लोकल एरिया के जो एमएलए आमदार है, ये सब नगर सेवक है, इनको इनको सपोर्ट है पूरा। एक खाली ठेला लेके जाते हैं, बाकी जैसा गाड़ी फिर पलट गई वैसा ये लोग बैठता है। पीछे से पुलिस आता है, उनको वो भी कुछ करते हैं। हम लोग ने पुलिस को बहुत कंप्लेंट किया, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है। यहाँ हमेशा शाम को 4 बजे का ट्रैफिक पूरा जाम हो जाता है सर जी। पब्लिक भी यहाँ का कुछ नहीं बोलता है। वो भी अगर फुटपाथ पे पूरा ठेला लगा है तो उनको पब्लिक को जोर जबरदस्ती से रोड पे चलना पड़ता है। फिर बीएसटी का बस और बाजू में से जाता है, फिर बस वालों को भी दिक्कत होता है। एक्चुअली ये गलत है कि फुटपाथ हमेशा खुला होना चाहिए पब्लिक के लिए।
Mirror Now reported from 3 different locations and brought to you the sufferings of Mumbaikar, their concerns behind it. But they suffer day in and day out. They are being forced to walk on roads, endanger their lives, and at the same time, right to walk is being denied to them. This is we have brought to you from different corners of Mumbai today.